Welcome back, everyone. Wednesday morning with another live stream. So, welcome to the channel, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button below, but also hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time we every single time we post a video. Sorry. So yeah, we're here every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, guys, something to keep in mind. You're looking to take your trading to the next level, or you're just looking to join a community of like-minded traders that are just looking to learn and join a community where, you know what I mean, the whole objective is to help each other out. That's my whole point of this channel, is to be able to provide as much value as possible to you guys. So make sure you guys stick around to the very end, guys. We are currently looking at AUS. This is looking like a sell setup for me. Entry, I was already looking at it here at the tops, but it seems like prices, it's not giving me enough time, so I got to let you guys know that this is kind of what I'm looking at for odd US sells. Um, anyways, we're gonna start shortly, guys, so just bear with me. I'm just gonna update some settings here on the video as we begin. So we will begin shortly, guys. Thank you so much. Feel free to stick around, and we will get started soon. All right, Michael. Good morning. Good morning, guys. We've got a couple more people joining in, so we're going to begin shortly. Make sure you guys stick around here. So we're going to start shortly, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning and good afternoon, wherever you guys are joining us from. We are about to start. Odd US is looking like nice, clean sells, guys. That's kind of what I'm looking at. All right, guys. So we're going to begin in any moment now, so just bear with me here. Welcome, guys. All right, going to begin here shortly. Just finishing off stuff here. All right, welcome. We're just gonna begin right now. Officially, just had everything all set up, guys. So, um, okay. So we've got Michael here. Yellow folder on US at 10 a.m. That is correct. We've got FOMC at 2. That is correct. Adam, hey Pedro, welcome, Adam, welcome, Michael. Happy to have you guys. Is odd USDA confirmed sell already, Pedro? We'll pretty much that's kind of where I'm looking at because even on the higher time frames, kind of let's take a look at what I'm seeing here. So, um, on the higher time frames, I think yesterday we were kind of mentioning that, odd US was looking bearish overall, and like just in the higher time frames, even on the weekly, we had been just really trending bearish. You can see kind of how odd US has been trading bearish for quite some time. Overall sentiment is sells, and then we were kind of seeing price come to this level of structure, and it kind of broke this key level here on the daily. Price broke below and failed to hold this level of support over here, which is kind of where we were expecting price to hold this level of support. But you can see that price clearly broke, and then it retested, and then it rejected and continued to go down further. Furthermore, if you go to the 4-hour, we can kind of see it a little bit even more clear right now because we came back up, retested it twice, rejected it multiple times, and now price came back and broke below this level of structure right now. Right now, we're kind of retesting it. So even on the 4-hour, I wouldn't quite say it's bearish, but we can see that price is basically retesting these highs over here, and we had a clean rejection. If I clear the charts here for a bit, you can see that. Look at this 4-hour candle. Look at this wick rejection over here, right? So pretty crazy wick rejection right over here on the 4-hour. So to me, that's indicating that, the bulls are weak, and we can see that kind of we are getting that instant rejection here right away. In terms of like what to expect, potentially I could expect it to come down to at least these lows over here and even potentially even further. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for odd US. I wouldn't confirm it just yet because we need to see price break below this level structure, and I need to see price reject this area here. If we don't see price go above this area here and we see it come back up, it'll probably pull back up and then push down. Then we can start looking for clean sells on odd US. GJ was a really cool. Spotted it, man. I did, and I was still up because I was still looking at the charts from last night. It was this level here on GJ sell. So this was London session. It was like 1, 2 in the morning, and I was like, man, it's coming to that key level. This is looking like a nice sell. Literally around 2:30, 2:40, I was editing a video that I'm going to be posting this morning, and I literally saw price just melt. Again, like one of those things, right, where London session, that's the nice thing, is you can catch nice moves like this. So those are things that we just got to keep an eye out, guys. BB, let's go, Kunis. Another day, guys. Yes, let's get it. Yeah, GJ would have been a really, really nice opportunity. But it's okay. We're always here to catch these opportunities and spot them out. Even now, I could probably see if we get some sort of rejection. We are a little bit above this level of structure. If we get some sort of rejection of this level here, then I could maybe expect price to continue to go down further. However, we are pretty overextended. So let's say from the highs to the lows. Oh yeah. Yeah, so we're pretty much overextended and it closed above, so I don't really see price actually going down further, to be honest. It's kind of like price just kind of really faked out, to be honest, at this point. Unless this 1 hour closes back in and then it closes like low here, we get a heavy wick rejection, then that's the only way I would see GJ continue to sell. But that's kind of what I'm looking at here. Yeah. I know. I saw that. That's the crazy part. I was up at like 2:30 this morning. And I literally saw it, man. I saw it come up to that level of structure. I saw it clean, 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 and I was gonna point it out in the chat. But mind you, I was editing the video. And I edit my videos on my phone, so I had to like reboot my entire computer just to do the whole analysis on trading view, just because it's, for me, it's better to look at it on my desktop as opposed to just on my phone, right? But based off of my phone, I saw it on my trading view app and I was like, this is the perfect opportunity. And then I started seeing it already reject, and I'm like, if this candle closes like this is a perfect sell setup for GJ. And then we set our stops above this level here, even like a 33 pip stop, and even just target these lows over here, which was, we knew it was a level where price was reacting in the past, like over here, look, right? So even if we target it here, not down here, because sometimes you never know, right? You don't know if price is going to go all the way down here, right? But even just targeting this level here, that's 67 pips, right? Only risking 33 pips. So yeah, no, that was a really, really nice clean opportunity for GJ. That clock scares the crap out of me, man. Like, throw it out. Yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at there, guys. All right. And continue on. We'll see what happens with GJ currently. GBP US. You know what? Let's clear the charts, because everything just, if you don't clear it, it's just kind of choppy and messy. Yeah, let's take a look at GBP US. British pound is super weak. We are like pretty much creating new lows at this point. I don't really see much history on it. Daily. Okay, so even on the 4 hour, so we are seeing some pretty heavy weakness here. Overall, we are still trending down. Yeah, so we are still in a downwards trend. Okay, on GU. It seems like even on the 4 hour, we broke below this level of structure here. So now we just gotta wait for price to pull back to this level of structure for a continuation up to the downside, even here on the 1 hour. But it seems like overall we're not really getting huge amounts of volume. For GU, we got to just wait for the news. If we get some sort of a pullback to this level of structure before we get that news, then we could potentially look for sells around this level of structure. That's what I could be looking at for GU. We do have news coming up, so yeah. So we got news at 10 a.m. Oh, and then we've got yeah. We got strong news at 2 p.m. Yeah, that's what could really move the markets. So that's kind of my outlook right now for GU. Let's take a look at GJ. Let's clear the charts for GJ yet again. Go back up to the daily. The daily's got a lot of indecision. Obviously, you know, this is a area where price does respect. Obviously, we know that. And has respected in the past. Not only that, we are kind of in the bigger picture, we are kind of in this ranging market. We were trending to the upside. So in the bigger picture, we were and we still kind of are trending to the upside. But we do also have to consider that we are somewhat in this kind of range area here. For the daily, and then this would be the lows of the range. And then we're seeing price kind of reject here. So we saw GJ come down and then it came back up. So right now GJ 4 hour, let's take a look. Yeah, like even the 4 hour looks like, to be honest, like some sort of a fake out at this point, but we don't know yet because it could reject this level here and it could continue to go down further and finally break below this level of structure. 1 hour. 1 hour is not looking bullish, to be honest. 30-minute, remember I told you guys, if price rejects this level, we could still have a chance. It could just be a fake out or a liquidity grab, and we could actually be looking for sells. Kind of want to see price come down and close below this level here where we can start considering some sell setups here for GJ. Some clean sell setups below this level of structure. From the high to the low. Yeah, so that's kind of what I could expect here. 92 pips. 35 pip stop. Just wait for that candle to close bearish. Pretty much just below that level of structure. Then that will confirm to me that yes, it's going to continue to go down further. What I'm looking at for GJ potentially, guys. I'll keep you guys in the loop for that. You guys with me, guys? Let me know if you understood that explanation. Smash that like button for me, guys, if you guys understood what I'm explaining there for GJ. Let's go, let's go. Gotta love that matcha tea, man. I'm telling you, that matcha tea, guys, is comes in clutch. All right, guys. So it seems like we are holding that level of resistance. So it seems like GJ is rejecting this level of structure. Could be some sort of liquidity grab. We don't know. It could be a possibility. Ideally, I prefer wick rejections at that point, but it is what it is. Let's take a look at gold, guys. In the meantime, we were expecting gold to go sells below this level structure. We had a double top formation on the higher time frames. Unfortunately, it seems like gold pushed back up. That is not a problem at all, guys. So we will clear these charts here and kind of start fresh. Let's go back up to the weekly and see where we were. So it seems like if that's the case and gold pushed up, it seems like gold could be potentially respecting this level of structure. Excuse me, it seems like it is holding this level of support. We did fail to hold this level of support over here. However, it seems like on the weekly, we are getting this wick rejection. So that's something to consider, guys. I would like to see this candle close above this level of structure here on the weekly and close bullish for me to start kind of changing my overall sentiment in the markets. If we go over to the daily, we can kind of see that yes, price is holding this level of support for gold. So we're just kind of ranging, guys, like I mentioned before. Um, Even on the 4 hour, we're just kind of stuck within this kind of ranging area. We did get a strong move to the downside. After a move like this, we can't really expect price to fully come all the way back up. But to be honest with you, I could expect price to actually come back up to these highs over here, potentially retest this level of structure once more. I do want to wait and see what price is going to do because this is kind of looking like it's looking like a clean range area. So until I don't get a breakout above this level here, I'm not going to be considering anything really. Looks like we're forming some sort of higher lows. So it could be forming some sort of a wedge pattern, but we just have to wait it out and see what ends up happening, guys. So I need a little bit more information. It's the 4 hour, by the way. So 1 hour, yeah. So I mean, it could be some sort of a wedge pattern. We could sell at these highs as well too, and just remember to always manage your risk. Because price could break above at any given time. You could kind of set your stops nice and tight here at like 27 pips or something. So you could set it there, 27 pips, and then you can kind of target these lows over here at 108 pips. So lots of great potentials to get into trades. You just have to know, always manage your risk, guys. Always, you know what I mean? Don't overtrade. As long as you don't overtrade, right, and you see the probabilities in the markets, you will be successful, guys. You will see success. You just have to be very consistent, guys. I'm telling you, don't approach the markets as a get rich quick. Remember, I teach you guys this every single day. We want to approach the markets with caution. We want to approach the markets with a plan. We want to approach it in such a way that we look at it, we start understanding this language, right? And that's the beauty of it, is that once you guys start taking it serious in terms of, hey, I'm looking for the best probable opportunity trades here, with the most potential, right? And so I always tell this to everyone, guys. It's better to wait and hold and focus on quality over quantity, right? If we're focusing on just getting as much into as much trades as possible, we will fail. And I'm telling you 100%, guys, you will not be successful if you are trying to overtrade and you're also trying to just trade a bunch of different trades. That's why I don't believe in the whole signal system. I do have like my own VIP channel, but that's mainly for educational purposes. I mainly just teach more closer one-on-one. I look over your charts. I'm here to support you, you know what I mean? And even then, like, to be honest with you, um, it's not something where I'm like here trying to, sell you a magic pill, right? It's more of like, hey, this is how I view the markets. This is what's required to be successful. This is what worked for me, and how can I help you? You know what I mean? How can I help you kind of break those barriers and kind of finally, push to that next level, right? So that's what I like. I like kind of being able to have it more personable, right? Not just kind of sending you a bunch of signals and stuff like that. That's not the way I like to do it. and that's not my whole purpose for you guys. You know what I mean? My purpose for you guys is for you guys to be successful, and being able to be a part of that success in one way or another is huge. And that, trust me, is the best thing. Like giving to people is the best feeling. You know what I mean? More than receiving, right? Um, so anyway, so that's kind of what I'm looking at there for gold. Yeah, so that's kind of what we're expecting for gold. I want to see some sort of a like double top formation, something on the 1 hour or 30 minute for me to confirm that price is going to reject this level. Otherwise, we could see a break to the upside. So that's something that we do have to keep in mind for gold, guys. So, um, anything really above this level of structure, then I'm not really looking for any sell setups, right? But anything below this level of structure, I would say even here, I'm going to start looking for sells, guys. Perfect opportunity to get in here on sells. But we just have to be very, very cautious as well. Okay, so something to keep in mind. Um, let's take a look at US 30. What's going on with US 30 4 hour? Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So it seems like we are at this level of support. Price came back up to this level previously and rejected this level of structure in the past. It seems like price is holding this level of support. Also, we've got a 4 hour bullish candle forming here. So it seems like US 30 is slightly going to push to the upside and finally reject this level and hold this level of support. So that's good. So that's kind of what I wanted and was expecting, as you guys can see. If we narrow it down to the 1 hour, even like the 30 minute, we can kind of see if we can get an entry here for US 30. Yeah, so we could see that we got that nice, clean, strong momentum push above this level structure. We got that pullback, and we can kind of expect US 30 to come up to these highs over here. Even over here, to be honest. Let me pull my fib here, 15 minutes. Yeah, so like even uh we kind of already missed the push here because this was over here, the level of support over here at the 0.50 and 0.618. We did get that rejection here, so this would have been a really good trade opportunity. However, even on the higher time frames, I'm sure we have lots of juice to push to the upside potentially. Um, Getting on an entry here is a little bit too late. Still potential for about 28 pips. I've even up to the highs of about 107 pips potentially because of this move here. So I'd like to kind of see what happens here. Let's see if price does pull back. Yeah, I think it still has US 30 has still a good amount of juice in it for it to go higher, especially since it's rejecting this level of support in the higher time frames, and we're getting this bullish candle form here on the 4 hour, so that's quite significant. I kind of want to see this 4 hour candle close bullish, and then I can expect a continuation to the upside, some sort of a pullback once more to this level of structure down here before it continues to go higher. If you guys are understanding that explanation, guys, do me a solid and smash that like button for me, guys. If you guys understood that explanation on US 30. If you're just joining us, guys, welcome to the family, guys. You guys know I appreciate you all. Um, we are here, always here, live every single day, and I'm here to support you guys every step of the way. So thank you for joining. If you're just joining us in right now, USD JPY. Let's take a look at USD JPY 4 hour. Let's kind of zoom in here. Let's see. Oh, look at that, guys. So we did get our trade going in our favor, but the stop. So we had it nice and tight at 25 pips of this level of structure. So it did stop us out here. So even if we would have done like about 40 pips, that would have been a little bit safer bet for the stop loss, but that's fine. The most important thing is just understanding that structure is following our plan, and price is respecting this level of structure, and that's about an 80 pip trade. Really, really cool. So yeah, so that's USD JPY. I'm expecting USD JPY still has a lot more juice to push to the upside, especially after this strong momentum push. We are on the 15-minute time frame. So right now it's pulling up, rejecting this level here, which is good, which is kind of what we want for a continuation. So I'm expecting USD JPY to continue to these highs over here. Yeah, how much of a move here we still have left? Potentially about 44 pips. Potentially, again, we do have USD news coming up, so we do have to keep that in mind. So yeah, guys, let me know also in the chat box. You guys are all quiet this morning, so let me know in the chat box if you are looking at any specific pair, any specific trades. And I'd be more than happy to look that over. Let's go, let's go. Welcome, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh. Got the new dynamic island. Let's go. Dynamic island. Too funny. Dynamic island. Yeah, man. They don't even know what to call these things anymore. Apple, man. You like the little dynamic island. Let's go. Dynamic island. That was a funny name. They call it Dynamic Island. Okay. That's good marketing. Really good marketing. Guys, don't be shy. Feel free to comment below any pairs you're looking for or any questions you have, guys. I'm here to help. I'm here to help you guys. Feel free to let me know. Yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking at here, guys. So let's continue on here. So yeah, USD JPY, we're looking at a continuation to the upside to this level of structure. And I will keep you guys in the loop. So let's take a look back at gold and kind of what we could expect. Are we getting that rejection? Are we expecting gold to continue to go down further? What are we looking at? Oh, look at that, guys. We got that rejection that I was telling you about. You see that wick rejection right over there? Do you see that candle right there rejecting? So that to me is telling me, okay, price is respecting this level of structure, and we can expect some gold sells potentially as soon as we break below this level here, which I have sell setups here. So I want to see a nice close of this candle, but I want to see the next candle open be bearish. If we get a close below this level of structure, I am looking for sells on gold, guys, and I'll keep you guys in the loop. You guys know that. But look at that rejection, guys. That's what we wanted. Price came back up and we got a nice clean wick rejection, and price has respected this level of structure multiple times. Okay, so if we go up to the 30-minute, look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 right now times where price has rejected this level of structure. And another thing I'm also noticing is that we are creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. And so this is kind of starting to look like some sort of a wedge pattern formation. So that is something to consider in terms of like the long-term trade setup. And finally, it might coil up and kind of break to the upside eventually and retest these highs over here. Or price could also melt below. We're just going to keep an eye on it, guys. I'll keep you guys in the loop with that. If you guys are understanding that gold trade, guys, make sure you guys smash that like button for me, guys. Let me know in the chat box below if you guys are understanding it and you're with me. Welcome, welcome. A couple new members joining in, guys, joining the family, joining la familia, la familia. Hola, amigos, hola, amigos. Thank you, familia, for joining. Appreciate you guys. Really, really do. Yes, let's go, let's go. Julianne has subscribed to the channel. Welcome, Julianne. Just want to give you a shout out here live on the channel. Thank you so much for joining the family. We appreciate you. And you know that we're here live every single day, guys. Live every single day in the flesh. So don't forget to hit that little notification bell, guys, because we are always killing it. I'm telling you. Also, feel free to join our Telegram. Our Telegram channel is the bomb, guys. I'm telling you. Telegram channel is a perfect area where I'm a community of like-minded traders that share their ideas. And also, if I see something, I share it with you guys in there as well too. So when I'm not live, I share and communicate with you guys when I get the chance through our Telegram group at Blessed Traders Academy. Absolutely free to join, guys. Click the link in the video description to join. But yeah, I'm always here anyways, live. So yeah. I haven't even used these indicators. I have them. They do the job, but it is what it is. Yeah, we're getting a nice clean rejection, guys. This is what I'm talking about, man. This is the stuff I'm talking about. We're getting clean rejections of this level of structure. I'm looking for gold sells potentially, guys. We have to wait for that confirmation, but I'm looking for nice clean gold sells. Let's freaking go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We got that matcha tea, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know about you guys, but I am super pumped for this week. I'm super pumped as a whole, guys. We have to stay positive always. Mindset is crucial. Okay, in trading, you always have to be positive. Also, another thing, guys, if you have that feeling, I'm going to tell you this right now. If you have a feeling where you just feel off, and let's say that day you just don't feel like something's going to go right, or you just it's not your day, don't trade. Stay out. The problem is when you don't listen to that inner voice and you're like, oh man, like, and you're just like, something's off. Listen to that inner voice. If something feels off and you feel like you're just going to lose a trade, or you just don't feel like it's your day today, don't go in the markets, guys. I am telling you, you will lose money if you don't listen to that voice. Okay? Yeah, anyways. That's something to also consider, guys, when you're trading in the markets. You have to have a clear mind, guys. Always clear your mind when you're trading, guys, in the markets. Guys, we got a clean rejection close here on the 30-minute. This is what I'm talking about. Do you see that wick rejection right there, guys? This is what I'm talking about. Excuse me. I'm a little too excited, guys. This is good, though. This is good. 15-minute. We are getting a nice clean rejection here. I want to see this candle close, but to be honest, if we want to be aggressive, we could get in here aggressively on gold and look for sell setups here. It is lining up. I could see gold come up to this level here first before it pushes down below, but I could see it start to react at this level here and also this level here, which is even 47 pips, potentially coming down all the way at around 84 pips gain. That's what I'm looking at for gold potentially, guys. But again, I want to see this candle that it just opened right now close, at least the 30-minute candle to close. And then that will be a nice clean confirmation for us as a double top formation and a continuation to the downside. If we don't get that candle close bearish, then I am not looking to get in, guys. So that's something important. Please understand that, because we still could get a break up to the upside. So let's keep that in mind, guys. I will keep you guys in the loop in the meantime. Anyways, let's continue on and take a look at what other stuff we can see. Euro CHF, we got a continuation to the downside here. Pretty bearish overall. Let's take a look at the 4-hour here. Yeah, very, very bearish. Seems like there's weakness in the market. Seems like price didn't hold this level of support. No sense of bullishness here at any time, to be honest. The candle just looks super weak. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, still bearish. Weekly, super bearish. Gosh, monthly is bearish. Yeah, I don't see any trades right now for Euro CHF. 1 hour. Yeah. So we're just gonna hold off here. There's no trades, to be honest, for Euro CHF. 4-hour does not look any. I want to see kind of price kind of range after a strong push like this. Price is most likely going to range for a bit, and then it'll push back up most likely to this level of structure. Then we can start looking for some good setups. But as of right now, guys, this is, we've got a wick. Look at this wick rejection here on this daily 4-hour candle. You know what I mean? The support seems like it's not really strong. It's not holding some sort of base. It's not holding that floor. Not convincing me, guys. So no trade for Euro CHF. Let's move on here. NZDCHF, guys. Again, I look at all these pairs just because I know you guys look at them. I don't focus on this many pairs, by the way, because this is a lot of pairs to look at. But I do this more for example purposes so that you guys can learn in the markets and how to view the markets and stuff like that. So welcome, guys. Couple new family members joining in, guys. If you're just joining us, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button as well if you guys understand these explanations that I'm giving, but also don't forget to hit the little notification bell, guys. That way you get notified. As you know, we're here every single day live. So sell setups below this level structure. We did get a break below this level, which is good for NZDCHF. We are looking at the 1 hour time frame, guys. Remember, I told you guys we were kind of ranging here. This to me was a fake out. And then we got a break below this level structure. What I'm expecting is price to come back up here. Probably around, like, I would say 9 o'clock, we'll probably have price come up to this level here. And then if we get a rejection of this level of structure, then I'm going to see a continuation of sells for NZDCHF. Really cool trade opportunity here. You can see even if we go here on the 15-minute, it's looking like it's lining up here. Price is most likely going to come up. We've got this kind of like inverse hammer pattern formation. But if we look here, sec. From the push to the low. So yeah, so I'm expecting price to come up at least to this level here at 0.15, 0.618. And then we want to see price reject this level here. And then we can start looking for potential sell setups here, put our stops above, let's say even this level here, about 10 pips. We can target these. This would be a nice quick in and out trade. It's 30-minute time frame, guys. So something that we could be looking at to do a little bit more heavier lot size and just get in and catch some quick 20 pips. Obviously, these pairs aren't going to give us much in comparison to like the other pairs, right? Like, you know, GU, gold, like, you know. Anyways, guys, welcome. We got a couple new family members joining in, guys. Welcome. I appreciate you guys. You know that. Okay. Okay. Yes. Guys, don't be shy. Feel free to comment below in the live chat box. I do respond, guys. So let's go. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Kevin. Off here. Yeah, give me 1 sec, guys. All right, I am back. Okay, guys. All right, so we're gonna continue on here. Just let me know if you guys are here with me. We've got a new member here, Nick Hill, Maru. Can you look at EU, please? Absolutely. Let's take a look at EU. Welcome, by the way. I'm not sure if you're already part of the family, but just welcome to the channel. So let's take a look at EU, Euro US. I do like trading Euro US. Anyways, guys, we'll keep an eye out on this. You guys can see already NZDCHF is pulling back up. Remember, I told you about 9 o'clock. We'll start seeing price come up to this level of structure and or potentially reject this level, and that will be a clean trade setup. And we'll probably have to put like a little bit more heavier lots on that, but that's a potential setup that I do see. Let's take a look here on Euro US. All right, so we did get a break below previously. Got that strong momentum push. 30 minutes. Let's clear the charts here, guys, so that it's more cleaner and I can kind of see what the market is telling us here. Okay. So, what are we looking at here, guys? We want to see the overall direction of the market. You guys know I always say, we always want to see the bigger picture. When in doubt, zoom out. We want to understand the overall direction of the market first before we do anything and get in on any trade. So when we look at the direction of the market, we can see that price has been creating lower highs and lower lows. So we know that. Let's narrow it down to the 4 hour. We could see that price, even actually, sorry, on the daily, seems like price is holding this level of support currently on the daily. That's something that we do have to kind of keep an eye out and see what price does, because if price holds this level of support and fails to create a new lower low, right? So this area here, then we can start seeing price kind of either range for quite some time or start changing its overall direction. The euro's been super weak lately, right? So we know that on the daily, it's bearish right now. I just need to see this candle close. We're kind of at a crucial point right now, to be honest, with Euro US. So let's narrow it down to the 4 hour. We know now that this is a level of structure. If we break below this level of structure, then we know that it's just a continuation of sells. The party continues on and we look for sells. Right? So if, let's say this 4 hour candle, for example, here breaks below, we get a strong bearish 4 hour candle, right? Then that's a perfect opportunity for that 4 hour candle or for the next 4 hour candles once it starts pulling back for potential buy setups or sell setups at this point. We'll get on the pullbacks of this structure, and then we can kind of see price continue on potentially if we get a rejection of this level. That's kind of what I could expect here. But it seems like to me, Euro US could actually break below. It seems very, very weak unless it respects this kind of double bottom formation here on the 1 hour and 30 minute. Unless price actually respects this level of support, I'm looking for sells. But if price does respect this level of support, my next target area for Euro US would be this level of structure up here. So I could see price coming back up to this level of structure. And I would like to see kind of price push above first and break this neckline if it confirms to be a double bottom formation. We don't know yet until we get some sort of a reaction to this level. So we're kind of at that major make or break point. So we're not really, there's no trades here, guys. There's no trades for today for Euro US. Some people that are new, they like to risk it and be like, oh, okay, well, price melted here. We're at this level of support. Okay, I'm going to get on buys. I mean, you could get on buys and target only 24 pips, but you really would. I would recommend to put your stop nice and tight below here, and put like a 10 pip stop loss, nice and tight. That way you're not risking too much over the table. But again, you know what I mean. We are at that kind of make or break point for Euro US. Nick Hill, I hope you understood that explanation on Euro US. Let me know if you understood that explanation. Also, guys, if you guys also, I know you guys are just joining us in, a couple new members joining in. If you guys understood the explanation, smash that like button for me. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We've got a couple new members joining in. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Ravenna, welcome, Ravenna. Welcome. We've got a couple new family members subscribing to the channel. Just want to give a huge shout out to Ravenna for joining the family. All right, guys. So, Nikhil Maru, thanks. Clear to me. Hey, Nikhil, no problem. I'm happy that you understood that. Like I said, my whole objective is to simplify your trading journey as much as possible, and I'm here to teach you guys what I know. You know what I mean? And I'm here to support you guys as well too. So, let's go. Let's continue. We want to kind of narrow things down here. So we were looking at GU. What was the other one? BP odd. Let's kind of look at GU and see. I like here a lot. Lately it's been ranging for quite some time. So this was the option that we were looking at: breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside, because we're still stuck in this range, guys. Daily, by the way, even on the 4 hour, it's still ranging. So We're just looking for some sort of breakout to the upside, either to the upside or to the downside. However, seems like we are potentially, we're not, I wouldn't say at a major key level. We are at a level of structure actually here, but there's still a good potential for a retest of these lows over here, potentially. Not saying that that's the case, but if British pound is continues to be more weak, we can expect price to come back down to these levels over here. I'm not saying that's the case yet, but if we do get some bearish sentiment or a break below this range here on the 4 hours, so if this 4-hour range breaks below, then we can definitely target these here at 1.6154, sorry, 1.61439, around that range. We can definitely expect that. So in the coming days and weeks. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for GU, guys. That's what I could expect. So same thing, it's not just the top here. If we get a break below, we can expect a sort of pullback and retest of the structure, and then we can see a nice clean push. That is GBP odd, guys. Let me know if you guys are here with me. Let's go. Let me see what's going on. All right, guys, not sure what happened with my music here, but we shall continue on. It seems like the Wi-Fi may be, not sure, because we have like one of the fastest internets available, which is like fiber optics or whatever. Here it's called Bell in Canada. Okay, so let's continue on, guys. Welcome to a couple new members here. We see that a couple new members are joining in. We've got a couple more people joining. Family, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. Get it, let's get it. Welcome to the family, guys. As we continue on here, I'm gonna see if I should probably charge the phone. All right, let's take a look at GJ. I know we were kind of looking at GJ. We obviously we didn't get in on GJ, but we were looking for some sort of rejection of this level structure. Let's see, 30 minutes. What's the market giving us, guys? Let's see. Are we getting that rejection that we thought? Yes, we are. Okay, so we are getting that rejection, guys. I want to see this candle close. If this candle closes bearish, then I'm looking for sells for GU. This is a perfect opportunity. Even we could get in aggressively, to be honest, because it's less risk. If you want, we can get in here. Potentially now we could set our stops above this candle high, probably around 24 pips, and then entry now. Then we could target our TP1 here at 45 pips, and then TP2 below this double structure at about a 100 pips gain. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. Let's go, guys. Welcome. If you guys understood that explanation on GJ, let me know, guys. Smash that like button for me, guys. Smash that like button. Let's get it. Welcome, welcome. Couple new people joining in. I'm also going to leave the link to our Telegram channel, guys, so you guys can join the family there as well once we're done the live stream, okay? That is the link there, guys, to join the family. Welcome, welcome. Couple new more members joining in, guys. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for GJ right now. We are getting that rejection. Remember, I told you that price could have just gotten a little bit more of a liquidity grab before he pushed to the downside. However, the most ideal position was yesterday, this trade that I was looking at here, which was a clean rejection. That was London Sesh, perfect opportunity. Doing a GJ sell. Yeah, we also do have to consider for our daily. Yeah, we're at this level of support here. We have to consider that, but also it seems like price could just be manage your risk, guys. Okay, we'll keep an eye out on GJ anyways, but manage your risk. Okay. Gold again, we want to kind of see this candle close. Like I mentioned before, we'll want to see this candle close bearish. Otherwise, I'm not looking for sells yet. We are at this major level of structure, so it's quite significant, guys. Guys, if you guys are like these live streams or enjoying these live streams, make sure you guys smash that like button for me, guys. Also, feel free to comment below in the chat box, guys. Welcome, welcome. Odd US, we did get a rejection of this level. We were looking for sell, so it seems like price did melt low. This was at the beginning of the live stream. We were looking for sell setups above this level here. Just 10 pips in, so nothing too big, but it was something we were looking at. We broke below this level of structure here. You can see it here, broke, price retested multiple times, and it failed to push to the upside. So I told you guys, hey, at the beginning of the live stream, this is a perfect opportunity to get in for, that's why you see this line here. Perfect opportunity for odd US sells here, guys. Even yesterday, I think we were looking at this as well, too. Say target the lows below this level here, but even it has a lot more juice to the downside. Look at the higher time frames here. See my sell setups below this level of structure. I would say even just like this move here to like here. So I mean, like, we can expect price to probably come to this level here. Or a 35 pip move. See what happens, guys. Odd US, we are looking at the 15-minute time frame. Euro US, again, remember, guys, bearish here. We don't know, right? We don't know. Euro's very, very weak. We don't know if this is a confirmation, if it's going to be a double bottom, right? So something to keep in mind, guys. Like I said at the beginning of the live stream, people that are new, they'll be like, oh, I'm looking for buys because we're at a level support. Yes, but you also have to consider that this could be a clean, a potential setup, but it's not my ideal trade setup, right? Not what I'm looking for. Euro JPY, Yeah, that was a Euro JPY. We got a nice clean sell setup. You can see I had everything here lined up. 21 pip stop loss for over 100 pip gain. This was Euro JPY. It all lined up there. I had price break here. You saw that my arrows here, pull back. Look at my arrow here, push down. Even now, seems like it is holding this level, rejecting this level. We could probably see Euro JPY test these. We've got about 47 pip range. Not bad. Entry would be a little bit at this point. Entry would be a little bit too late for my liking. But I mean it's never too late. A minute. Let's take a look at the picture. Yeah, I mean, it's not too late. I mean, you could still get in, but you just got to manage your risk. Put 18 pip stop loss. Target these lows over here. That's about a 48 pip gain, guys. Euro JPY. I just have a feeling Euro's going to melt, guys. This is a good trade opportunity here live, guys, in the flesh. Euro JPY sells, guys. Euro JPY sells. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Couple new family members joining in, guys. Make sure you guys don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time we're live. Welcome, welcome. Also, smash that like button, guys, if you enjoyed that explanation there on Euro JPY. Euro JPY is already in profits yet again, guys. Euro JPY has been paying really, really well. We shall continue to monitor this trade. Actually, you know what? Let's take a look here. We've got a comment here from Jamaludin that says gold buy or sell. Gold buy or sell. Like I mentioned, we kind of already went over gold. It's looking like potential sell setups because we are getting a rejection of this level of structure. On the gold higher time frames, you can see that price has respected this level of structure here multiple times already on the higher time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame. 1, 2, 3, right? We don't know though, however, if gold's going to continue to push up. But my overall bias is that gold is going to respect this level here and potentially go down. So this next candle here, which is the 1 hour, is crucial to me. I want to see this next candle close bearish. If this next candle closes bearish, then I'm looking for sell setups, as you can see below this level structure. I already had that marked off. So that's kind of what I'm expecting for gold. So we are potentially looking for gold sells. I just want to see this candle close on the 1 hour bearish. If we get that candle closed, then we're looking for nice clean sells on gold, which we are getting that rejection, which is nice. You can see the wick candle. Do you see the wick candles there? That's just overall bearish sentiment to me. So this is a good indication that we're expecting continuation to the downside, guys. Gold. You guys understanding that? Let me know. Let me know in the chat box below, guys, if you guys understood that gold setup that I'm looking at potentially right now. You guys with me? Let's go. Let's go. We don't play around, guys. We don't play around. CAD JPY. Let's take a look at CAD JPY. Let's clear the charts. Let's go up to the daily. Let's see what's going on at JPY. CAD JPY has been trending to the upside, guys. We are seeing what? An upwards trend. This is the type of stuff I like. I like to see trending market. Let's go. Let's go. So, okay, so we are at a major level of support here. So this is a major level of structure. We can see that price has been trending up. We see the higher highs and higher lows. We are trading to the upside on the higher time frame. So we are looking at the daily time frame. So we are in a bullish market condition right now. So even if we narrow it down to the 4 hour, I'm expecting CAD JPY to respect this level of structure at least. So I want to see price break above this level. Sorry, not that level. This level here of support and resistance, but in this point, a resistance level or buy potential setups. So we will be looking for buy setups above this level of structure for CAD JPY. And then we would be looking for sell setups below this level of structure here for CAD JPY. So we just kind of waited out. It's kind of stuck in this range. 4 hours looking a little bit indecisive. Even the 1 hour is just kind of like stuck back and forth ranging, and it is rejecting already on the 1 hour this kind of buy level here. Sorry, this level of structure here. So I want to see either price continue to range here for a little bit, and then once we get the breakout that we're looking for, then we can kind of set up our bias and look for a clean setup buys or look for setup sells, right? So we got to just kind of wait it out and see what price does. But overall, I mean, I'm kind of leaning more towards buys. The only reason why I'm saying that is just because if we go to the higher time frame, like the daily, we are in an upwards trend and we are at a major level of structure here. See that price has respected this level here in the past. You can see resistance, resistance, and then price broke above. We retested right now. So if we hold this level of structure, so we hold this level of support, then we can start expecting buys and target these highs over here and these highs over here in continuation to the upside. But sometimes just because price broke above doesn't necessarily mean that that is a complete break and retest, right? And that's the whole objective of the break and retest strategy, is that we want to make sure that we get confirmations that price is respecting that level of support or respecting that level of resistance, right? And so I want to see price respect this level of support. If price doesn't respect this level of support, it invalidates this push to the upside and it just looks like a fake out on the higher time frame. So that's something to consider, guys. Always consider that when you're trading. Again, let me know if you guys are understanding that, guys. Smash that like button if you're understanding this explanation for CAD JPY. I am here to teach you guys and provide as much value as possible. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in. If you're just joining in, thank you for joining the family. Let's get it, guys. Couple new members joining the family. Britan has subscribed to the channel. Welcome, Britan. Okay, so let's continue on here, guys. We've got a couple comments here. Let's see. So we've got yes, sir, Adam. Yes, sir. We've got Waleed, Euro JPY. Yeah, I think we just Waleed, we just went over Euro JPY. Let's take a look though. Euro JPY was looking really good. Potential sell setups. Let's take a look at daily. Yeah, so daily we are at this major level of structure. So price even on the weekly, you can see that. Look at all these wick rejections, right? So to me, this is an indication that price is not respecting this level of structure and it's failing to create a new higher high. And so this is an indication that the momentum is starting to die off. Okay, guys? This is how you look at the markets, guys. It's crucial and important to understand how to look at the markets and understand the overall direction. Look at the bigger picture. This is what I teach you guys, right? So make sure you guys dive in and understand what I'm telling you guys right now. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, guys, as I teach this every single day. So we are at this level of structure. We have rejected and failed to create a higher high. We are on the weekly time frame, guys. This weekly candle looks super bearish to me. It seems like it's rejecting this level here. Some sort of a potential double top pattern formation on the weekly. Anyways, price is respecting this level of structure here, even on the daily. So I can expect a continuation to the downside, potentially retesting these lows over here. You can see I've already had this pointed out. So if we narrow it down to the 4 hour, this is why I was expecting sell setups for Euro JPY, and we did get that sell setup here, and we got that nice clean trade of over 100 pips. 1 hour time frame, again, you know, we're seeing price kind of respect this level. We're looking at bearish candle formation here. We do have to trade cautiously. We understand that price could come back up once more before it pushes down, so create some sort of a double top formation on Euro JPY before it continues to go down further, right? Because price could do that, right? Sometimes, or at most of the times, it will do that and retest at least twice, right? You can see that price fell, retested, fell, right? But then what happened? It came kind of range for a bit, and then it retested this high yet again once more before it melted all the way down, right? So with Euro JPY, we could get that same thing happen here. So we had that strong momentum push. We got the pullback to this retest of this level of structure, but price could also come back up once more, create some sort of a double top formation here on the 30-minute, and then melt, continue to melt down further, because we know the overall direction, we're at this kind of major level. We know that price is failing to break above. It's a higher time frame, so it's much more significant. So this is where we can expect price to potentially come back down. So that's kind of what I'm expecting for Euro JPY. I hope you understood that will lead as to what I'm expecting overall bias on Euro JPY. You guys understood that? Let me know in the chat box, guys, if you guys are with me and you're understanding how I'm explaining this. Let's go, let's go. Welcome, welcome. Couple new family members joining in. So yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at. Ideal entry is always here at the top, always at the highs, right? So this would be the most ideal entry. And then look at how much potential we have, over 81 pips, guys. I have a feeling probably Euro JPY is going to come back up here and retest and create some sort of double top. If we get a rejection of this level of structure here, like form some sort of a double top, then I'm looking for, that's a strong confirmation. If we get price to actually reject this level, that's a strong confirmation for a continuation to the, okay? So keep that in mind. I'm going to set this up here and put it here. So that's kind of what I'm expecting. That's what I'm expecting for Euro JPY. Will lead, clear to me, perfect, awesome. I'm excited for what the markets has to offer to us, guys. Let's get it. Okay, look. Hold. Look at that wick rejection right here. Look at that candle close here. 15-minute, guys. 30-minute. Okay, this 30-minute candle close, super bearish. But look how price almost right away rejected it, right? So I need gold to break below. I need this candle to start breaking below this level, because otherwise we're just kind of stuck in a range. Look at the 15-minute. Oh, man. You see that? That's nice. Candle formation right here, this doji, and then do you see this candle here, that bearish candle close? That's really good. But then look at this candle here. So what I want to see, the price could come back up and it just creates a huge wick, right? I want to see this candle come back down and finally break below. Because it's funny, the level of structure that I pointed out here, do you see that level here of support here? It's funny because it rejected it and respected it. Did you see how it came down and then it came back up? It respected this level of structure quite significantly, and it just came back up right away. So that's why I said sell setups below this level. I didn't say sell setups above here at this level. I said sell setups below this level of structure, and I needed to close and confirm, right? So yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting. If we get a push to the upside for gold and price ends up respecting this level of structure, and we get a push, I want to probably see gold buys potentially above, I would say easily above this level here for gold buys. However, we do have to trade very, very cautiously because we are at a level major of structure, and it could just be a huge wick. So it could come back up and then wick us back down. So you have to be trade with lots of caution. And if we are in profits, to take your profits and be smart, guys. Because also we do have this move here. We also do have to consider this move here. And then if we move this over here, right? Are you guys with me here, guys? Right? And then look at this. Watch this. You're going to see this. We've got the push to the high. And look at this rejection, guys, here. 0.618 and 0.50. We're getting that clean rejection here. So this could be a good potential, as long as it breaks above here, good potential buy setups for gold. And we could catch over 35 pips, right? So, we could risk about, 10 pips or something like that. So it's not a heavy, like high risk trade, but something to consider too, right? So there's many ways to look at the market. We just have to be very cautious when we get into these trades, right? So be very, very cautious. Anyways, we'll write it out and see what happens, guys. We'll watch out and see what happens. Because this one I didn't get in on this here. USD JPY seems like it's holding this level of structure, holding this level of support. We've got over, how many pip movements do we here? 80 pips. But yeah, this one could be like, I know we already had been in this one, but even here, guys, nice clean entry here, over 50 pips. Look at these charts here. right? This is a clean for USD JPY, but we also have to be very wary, guys. We have news at 10 a.m. Yeah, news at 10 a.m. And then we have heavy news at 2 p.m. USD JPY, this could be a potential here. Decent trade setup, but we need to see price hold this level of support. See more rejection of this level here. A little bit more rejection. You see this support. Reject this level of support. Welcome, welcome. Couple new members joining in, guys. Welcome to the family. Welcome to La Familia. Super excited to have each and every one of you guys. If you're just joining in, guys, also follow me on all my socials. Pedro FX Official on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Also, make sure you guys follow me on our Telegram channel. It's absolutely free to join, guys. Blessed Traders Academy, where a lot of our family members are able to share their ideas and analysis. And I also do respond there when I'm not online. So if I do see a trade setup, I let you know. And then if you're looking to just learn, we also have our Blessed Traders Academy, which is our VIP membership. You know, that is something for more people that are just looking to learn. I'm here to teach you guys to learn. I'm not here to send signals. That's not my objective. My objective is to teach you guys and provide you guys as much value as possible. That's my whole objective, guys. I want you guys to be successful. That is the biggest thing for me. And, you know, why I created this channel was that because, you know, being able to give is so much more than being able to receive. When you give, you feel so much more better than receiving. You know what I mean? Like receiving is nice, but being able to bless other people is a huge thing. You know what I mean? And, you know, God gives us so much opportunities to be able to, you know, enjoy in this life. And so being able to give back to someone else that may be in need is a big thing, right? So, you know, God sees everything. So, yes. All right, we've got a couple new family members joining in, guys. Welcome, welcome. Super excited to have you guys. So we're looking at USD JPY. I want to see price hold this level of support. If we see rejection of this level, then we can see a continuation to the upside. Nice clean setup. I mean, you know what I mean? At most, you're risking maybe around 15 pips and then potentially for a 51 pip gain. So that's something that I'm looking at there. Gold, we are kind of in this range, to be honest. So we're still stuck in this range area here. We are at a top level here on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. So we're at a kind of major level of structure here. So, you know what I mean? Price for gold could continue to push up or price could reject this level. If we start seeing rejection or bearish candle form here on the higher time frames, then I'm expecting you could see already sell setups to the low of this wedge pattern. That's kind of what I'm looking at for now for gold. And then let's take a look at US 30. Yeah, so US 30, we're kind of at this level of support here on US 30. I think I told you guys, yeah, we were looking for buys, so you guys could see that we're already kind of pushing in towards our direction for US 30. So price is going in our favor. We kind of looked for an entry around this level here, but even then that was still high. The ideal entry, like I mentioned to you guys, would have been here, down here. So whenever we see that, that's also so important to understand that, guys. So that was at 7 a.m. Yeah, so 7 a.m. Look at that. And then we got that hammer, inverse hammer. Do you see that? Look at that candle right there, right? So that's a strong indication. Typically at a bottom, you know what I mean? A reversal. That's a reversal candle right there. So that's a strong indication. Also, that we did get a rejection at a 0.618, guys. This is our gold zone, guys, right, for US 30. And look at this move that we pretty much could have had here. And we're talking about over 100 pips already. So really, really good. But even then, we still caught it here. So if you guys would have took that trade when I mentioned, you'd already be up 54 pips. So that is kind of like a little bit of an outlook for US 30 and to how I kind of look at the markets, guys. So welcome, guys. If you guys understood that explanation, smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button for me. Let's get it. Welcome, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Any pairs you guys are looking at, let me know in the chat box below. Don't be shy, guys, to let me know if you have any questions as well. Now that you have me live, almost 9 o'clock, so I'm probably going to be calling it a day soon. I will be back later this evening. But as you guys know, we're here live every single day at 7 a.m. Couple new members joining in, guys. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so that's what we had there for US 30, odd US. So odd US retesting yet again. So it seems like price still not ready to push down below. That's fine. But it seems like it's retesting here once more. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, it's just ranging here, guys. Odd US is still ranging here. GJ as well. We'll continue to monitor these trades and see what ends up happening. GU, we're expecting some sort of a pullback to this level of structure, guys, right over here, and then we can expect price to reject this level of structure potentially. That's kind of the overall idea for GU. Euro USD, yeah, so we are remember I told you guys this could look like a double bottom formation, but we won't know. So it's looking like price is pushing up and starting to form this double and confirm this double bottom, sorry, because the euro has been weak for quite some time. So you know, for all we know, price could disrespect this level here and continue to push down further. So, you know, trade cautiously, guys. There's no trade for your USD, not today. Euro JPY paid really well, guys. This trade I was on looking at this trade as well, but also this trade setup here is looking potentially good. We could look at some sort of a double top before it continues to sell. We are also at a higher time frame. We are at a major level structure here. That price has been rejecting this level here, and it's looking bearish overall. Setups there. Euro JPY. Welcome, guys. Let's go. Let me know if you guys are understanding this explanation, guys. Let me know in the chat box below if you guys understood that. Gemliden, USD JPY, buy or sell USD JPY. I believe we already went over this pair. And USD JPY is looking for buys, guys. I told you this. Beginning of the live stream, we are looking for buys for USD JPY. But I need to see USD JPY respect this level of support here. That's why I have it highlighted here. If we get a, again, overall, to be honest, we're not really risking much. So, I mean, the earlier you take this trade, the better, because then you're getting a much cleaner entry. But overall, I think the overall sentiment, just from looking at it, everything, I'm expecting buys for USD JPY because we got a break above this ranging area here. We got a break, retest, and price is pushing up. So I could see USD JPY retest these highs one more time before it either continues to push higher or whatever it ends up doing. So even on the 30 minutes, we're looking like we're holding this level of support. 1 hour, you know, price is kind of just holding off there for a bit, but the next candle could be a bullish candle for me. 15-minute as well too, so it seems like it's holding this level of support. Trade with caution, guys. Always remember to manage your risk, please, guys. Always manage your risk. Also, you know, set your stop losses nice and tight below this level of structure here. That's a 15 pip 15 pip stop loss, and potentially targeting these highs over here. First TP1 would be this high over here, which would be about 17, almost 18 pips for TP. So let me know if you guys understood the explanation, guys. If you did, smash that like button. Let's go, guys. Destroy that like button, guys. It's absolutely free, guys. And it does help support the channel. And yeah, in turn, that helps me continue to do these live streams for you guys because I'm here every single day for you guys. I'm trying to provide you guys as much value as possible. Welcome, welcome. A couple new family members joining in. Welcome to the family, guys. Let's go, let's go. Just going to drop the link for our free Telegram group here in the chat box below. So if you guys want to join that, it's absolutely free to join our Blessed Traders Academy. Also, guys, make sure you hit the little notification bell as well too, so those of you that are just joining in. All right, let's continue on, guys, here. So we're gonna look at a couple more pairs and then we're gonna call it a day. GPY, actually, you know what, CAD GPY, we had just looked at CAD GPY. Yes. Potential buy setups, we are kind of like ranging here. Short-term wise, though, we could look for sells, guys. Short-term wise, I'm looking for CAD GPY to probably come to these lows over here, to be honest. This level here, CAD JPY. So this CAD JPY on the 15-minute seems like we're getting a rejection of this level of support. This level here, do you see that it was previously support? Now it's resistance. This could be a good trade setup here for a nice sell setup here for CAD JPY, guys. Nice quick market execution. Set your stop loss here at 10 pips. And then you can easily catch about 22 pips. This is a nice, clean, quick setup for CAD JPY sells, guys. CAD JPY sells. Let's go, let's go. Live trade in the flesh, guys. Look at this. CAD JPY, guys. You guys understanding that what I'm looking at, guys? Let me know in the chat box below if you guys understand and see what I'm saying. 1 hour. So yeah, so we are rejecting this level of structure here. You want to see price break above this level of structure for buy setups, but I could see, to be honest, CAD JPY retesting these lows once more, because we are still kind of in this range right now. We're in this range. On the higher time frames, we are at a major level of support, which is this area here that you see highlighted. That's a major level of support, but I could see right now in this smaller range, potentially CAD JPY to come down to these lows. So we just got to monitor price and see what ends up happening, guys. Okay. So USD JPY is not holding this level of support. Doesn't look like it just yet. That's why we want to see price hold this level of support. I want to see heavy wick rejections of USD JPY. Okay, keep that in mind, guys. We need to hold this level of support for a continuation. However, it's a good entry level to get in probably around this time. Again, always manage your risk, guys. Okay, never overtrade. Please don't overtrade. Welcome, welcome. Couple new family members joining in, guys. Welcome, welcome to the channel, guys. It's 30. Zero odd. Let's take a look. Odd. Yeah, so buy setups above this level of structure. Get that push. We're ranging for quite some time here. This is the 4-hour time frame, by the way, guys. Yeah, so on the higher time frame, what I'm expecting probably is price to, after a push like this to the downside, we had a major level here of structure. So I'm kind of seeing price. I want to see price range for a little bit and see what price does. If price respects this level of support, then we can expect a continuation to the upside, and probably retest these highs over here. But we shall see. Right now, there's no trade for you. Yeah, no trade for Euro odd. Take a look here for Shiba Inu. I would say we're probably gonna hold this level of support around over here. So Shiba Inu could actually come down a little bit further, potentially to these lows over here. Actually, it's retesting this level of support right now, but it could potentially come down to these lows because yeah. So actually, you know what? This is so Shiba Inu could come down a little bit further down. Um, before it actually, because it's retesting here, price broke below, it's retesting this level, break and retest. I could see it potentially coming down here further and then rejecting this level of structure here before it continues. That's crazy. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome. Look here. Look at that wick rejection there on the 30-minute guy. Heavy wick. which this candle could actually turn bearish, and then that would be in sell. So that's, we are getting that wick rejection there. You can see that price is rejecting this level of here, so resistance. So it is kind of ranging right now, so we just got to keep an eye out on it, guys. We'll see, but overall bearish sentiment for odd US. We'll see what ends up happening there. GJ as well. So I know that overall GJ, after he pushed like this, a pullback of this level of structure, we can definitely expect some sort of a sell setup. Even if we move our stops a little bit here around 30 pips, that's fine. This would be a good entry if price ends up respecting this level of structure and ends up continuing to sell. But we have to kind of keep and trade cautiously, guys. So this could be a good potential trade setup here for GBP JPY. Let's take a look at gold and see what gold is doing. So yeah, so I want to see gold break below this level of structure here and close below this level of structure here. You guys could see that for potential sell setups. So that is a bearish candle formation here as well for gold. So nice. So now I want to see gold literally break below. I'm looking for actually gold sells. Gold is looking like gold sells right now. We are at that major level of structure. Remember, I told you guys, look, pointed this out already. We're at this major level structure. You just got to be very, very cautious. But not just that, you also have to be willing to hold. Like if we were to get in here, you have to understand that price could wick up above this wick level here. So that's about a 36 pip move, right? Stop loss. You have to be cautious and, excuse me, aware of that, right? So that's something that you just have to be aware of. That price could do, okay? So keep that in mind. We are targeting these lows over here, potentially over 117 pips, but price could react around this level here, which is about 90. Yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at for gold right now, guys. Welcome, welcome. We've got Sylvia. Sylvia, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the family. I'm not sure if you've already subscribed, but welcome. Happy to have you. So yeah, we're looking at gold sells, guys. I'll keep you guys in the loop, obviously, in the Telegram group if I do get in on a entry. But gold sells is looking pretty good. So do you see how the bulls keep trying to push up, guys? And I want you guys to see this because this is how you learn how to cop these trades here. Do you see how the bulls pushed up, then the bears came back down? Bulls pushed up, and then the bears came back down. The bulls pushed up, and then you notice how each time the bulls try to push up, each time it's weaker and weaker and weaker. So look at this candle here. I want to see this candle close. Obviously, an aggressive entry would be to get in right now. I mean, it's trade at your own caution, guys. This is not financial advice, by the way. So I mean, if you do guys want to take that risk, just understand. Remember, I told you the stop loss has to be wide, just because gold is very, very wicky, and you know what I mean. This is kind of what price could do at any given time. So you have to be trading really with caution, guys. Okay. Gold is going in our favor at this time. Uh, One second, guys, because I think I might also get in myself, but we have to be very cautious, guys, because I want to see that candle that we're in right now here, the 15-minute or 30-minute close, and that gives us that confirmation for gold. gold sells. Welcome, welcome, guys. If you guys are understanding these explanations, guys, or you enjoy these live streams, make sure you guys smash that like button for me, guys. Really do appreciate it. As you guys know, I try to provide as much value for you guys, so I really do appreciate the support. So if you guys do enjoy the live stream, smash that like button for me. I really do appreciate it, guys. Nicholas, hey Nicholas, welcome, welcome. Will you be trading the news today? Um, we'll see, we'll see. Potentially. So I will let you guys know if I'm in any trades. You guys know that. So if there's anything that I see that price will do, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So welcome, welcome. Okay, so we'll let gold do its thing. It did put wick back up, so we'll just kind of wait it out and see what happens. We are, however, getting heavy wick rejections on these highs over here, so we just gotta wait for this candle to close bearish, and then we get that nice clean confirmation to the downside for gold. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining in on our live stream. If you guys are new or you haven't been here before, we do live streams every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Appreciate you guys. If you guys enjoyed this live stream, smash that like button and subscribe and hit the little notification bell, guys. And welcome to the family. So I will probably surprise you guys again in the evening. I have been coming on the evening lately as well too, so make sure you guys are already part of it. Gold seems like it's already going in our favor, guys. We just gotta wait for that candle close. If we get that candle close, then we can see and expect gold to continue to go down further, and it'll probably melt below. So something to keep in mind, guys, for gold. That's just kind of my overall analysis. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I appreciate you guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys later.